Hey y'all, Shaznation here. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lynn Shazin and I do all things nursing, lifestyle, vlogs, empowerment, productivity, you name it. So in today's vlog, we are going to kind of take a day in the life of a nursing student preparing to go back to school because my spring semester starts in a couple of weeks, so January 25th I believe. And today what's going to be on my to-do list, let's see. Of course, I get my Trello app to see what's going on. First off, we're going to get ready together, of which I'm pretty sure you've already seen in the previous clip. Then I'm going to be attending a Webex advisement with my counselor, and just to talk about my next steps, being that I'm graduating in May. I'm gonna log into my school website, check my classes, check my schedule, check my tuition, check my financial aid, all that boring stuff. Check whether I need to buy books so I can do that ahead of time. I'm gonna log into my clinical schedule website where I can check and track the site that I'm gonna be having my practicums, and I'm gonna watch some modules that we're supposed to watch before going for practicums. And lastly, I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick unboxing of some of the things that I bought from Amazon to prepare for my practicums. Let's just get started. Let's go ahead and attend this advisement. So this is the Webex app where we do attend our advisement meetings, especially being an online student and the pandemic. Yeah, we do not go on campus to attend counseling meetings anymore, so this Webex it is.
Again, a sign of strength and fortitude that you stuck with it, pushed through. All of these things go into making you a more tolerant, more accepting, more flexible individual, because you've had to deal with issues that have come up, and you've been able to retool and change, maintain your sense of humor, and continue to plug along. And these are gifts. We don't feel they're gifts at the time.
Yeah.
But they make us a stronger person. So I'm thrilled to have been part of the journey.
Thank you. You've been really helpful through the journey.
So where will you be doing, or how will you be doing your public health practicum? You should be then only required to do 60 hours, 90 hours of practicum, 60 is at a site, and the 30 are related to certain activities, projects, or whatever.
Okay.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, that for you is 30, half is 17.
Okay, that is done. I love my advisor. She's literally the sweetest lady I have met throughout my career. She's very encouraging. I don't know, she just says all the kind words to keep you pushing, because nursing can be a very tough career, and if you don't have a stable support system, oh yeah, you're gonna constantly feel like you need to give up. So the next thing on my to-do list, I'm gonna be logging on my school website just to check my class schedule and whatnot. So let's go ahead and do that.
Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus.
So these are the two classes I'll be taking. This is the first one. This is going to be my elective for the spring. It's a perioperative nursing elective. And this second class is going to be practicums. And I have to log into my STEPS account to see what I do need to fulfill in order for me to start the practicum. So let's get to it.
So it's harder to own it. So if it helps you.
Oh, we thank God. Oh my gosh. You know how expensive nursing books are, and I'm thankful that these courses do not really need textbooks. But let's see whether this other class is gonna be updated, because I see pending and I'm like, oh gosh. No. Thank God though, I have a full scholarship which covers for that, but you have to pay ahead of time. First you have to buy your books, then they reimburse you. This is what steps looks like. These are all the pending documents I have to submit. I'm checking to see whether my coordinator processed where I'm gonna be working for the practicums, but I can't seem to find it. So there's no site yet, but let's go and watch some modules that they posted for us.
Perform hand hygiene. The front of the welder shield is the most contaminated. Grab the shield from the strap on the sides and lift away from face. Welder shield can be discarded or reused if disinfected appropriately. Pull the bottom strap of the N95 from the back of your head. Next, pull the top strap of the N95 and set aside. Perform hand hygiene.
I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more videos to watch. I'm gonna do that real quick. And I just got a notification that my Amazon packages were delivered, and these are my practicum essentials that I need for practicums this semester, and I'm gonna film that video and post it after this one. So if you're interested to see what essentials you need for clinicals or practicums, stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna be showing you guys like a sneak peek unboxing, so stay tuned. But yeah, let me go ahead and watch these videos so I can submit and they can see that I finished watching them. BRB.
Yeah. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay.
So that is it, you guys. Let's go ahead and grab that package real quick from Amazon. I'm gonna be doing like a quick unboxing real quick. Let's go. It's always Christmas around here, I promise you. It's always Christmas with Amazon packages. Always Christmas. I got a blue navy fleece for clinicals and just, you know, whenever I'm at a hospital site. Pen lights. I also got some trauma shears, and I like this one because it's just all black. This pencil pouch for putting all my color coding pens for when I'm journaling. If you haven't watched my planner setup yet, go and watch that video because I showed you guys the best pens for writing in your planners and also when you're journaling. Next thing I got is this ID protection stamp. So when I want to, you know, I'm just tired of ripping off my address on every envelope and every package that I get. And I think this is just good to erase information. Let's see whether it works. Whoa! Can y'all see that? You just roll it over like this and it erases. So that's a nice one. That is a nice one. The last thing I got, oh my gosh, so I saw these shoes on Amazon, and since I want to buy the jogger style scrubs for when I start working, dang, these shoes look big. Are these men's? Oh no, these are too big. I got a size 8 in these shoes. They look so nice. Picture this with some jogger scrubs. Let me see whether they fit. Look. So big. I'll see whether I can return them and buy her like a half a size smaller because I'm not trying to walk like I borrowed shoes from my mother to come to work with. Like, dang, these shoes are big. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in this mini vlog. It's not gonna be a whole day in the life. Yeah, that was just a way to show you guys what the behind the scenes of what I'm doing looks like. So I hope you tune in next time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
You and I are the same. Ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding away.